Mark and Sally, this is your Burstner Lyseo TD744. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a quick, really basic run round of the vehicle just to show you everything. So then when you come tomorrow, we can go over a couple of bits in more in depth. So walking around the outside of the van, we're going to start on. Fill up point is here. Your tyre pressures and things like that are all on the door sill, which are just there for you. Your bonnet release catch is on this side of the vehicle, on your passenger side. And whilst I'm here, you've also got your Remis cab blinds, which are just there. Moving back, you've got your convenience locker. In here, this contains all your drain down points. The great thing with Burstner is to put it all in one place. In there, you've got your fresh water tank, you've got your hookup cable, you've then got your frost protection valve, and then finally your boiler drain down. And as I say, it's all in that area for you. The only drain down point that this is missing is your wastewater rather, and your wastewater is just underneath here, which is located here and indicated here by that sticker. You can see that there's just a pipe down there which will empty it. Moving along, you've got your truma vent. That in essence is the vehicle's chimney. Next, you've then also got your gas bottles which go into there, and then you can see you've got your fridge vents which are up there on the vehicle. Next, you've got your garage, which is on this side. Then moving along the vehicle, you can also see you've got your reversing camera, which is up at the top there. Moving to the other side of the vehicle, you can see that you've got your awning. Obviously, with your awning, just use it's a bit of common sense. If it is really heavily windy, don't use it. As you can imagine, it's like a massive sail, so it could actually break the van. So on a light breezy day, you're good to use it. You've then also got your garage, which is there. Another garage point. It's just into there with your cables, with your carpets, and then just there your inflation kit and your book packs. Moving along, you've got your socket, your TV socket, which is just there. We just need an adapter for that, which will be a 230 volt adapter. Next, you've got your cassette toilet, which is just located in here, the exact same as the one that you have, and then your gas barbecue point, which is just located in there. That concludes the outside of the vehicle. I'll just quickly run through the inside for you, so you can see. Moving on to the inside of the vehicle, you've got your drop down bed, which is over the lounge area, your control panel and your heater panel, which is just there, and also your light switches, which are just down there. Moving into the kitchen area, oven and grill and your hob, which is just there, your sink, which is just on the slide out unit there, and then your various cupboards. Underneath here, you've got your RCD breaker, which is just there. If the van ever trips, you need to come to here. And you've also got your isolation valves in there, which you don't need to touch. Next, you've got your three-way fridge, very similar to the fridge that you have. It'll run off 3 ways to fuel it, which is just there. And then you have storage just into here, and then we're along into the back. You've got your drop-down bed here, which will drop over this area. All you need to do is remove the cushions for that. Finally, you've got your bathroom area, which is just into here. You can see you've got your swivel cassette there, and your blade on the toilet, again, exactly like what you've had before. You can see you've then got your sink, and then your shower area, which is just there. In your floor, you can see that you've got these panels here. You've got one here and one at the front there. That's for underfloor storage. You can put things like shoes in there and stuff like that. So that concludes the basic sort of walk around. On the day as well, what I'll do is I'll go over a few bits in a finer detail. As I say, this is more of just a walk around video for you. Alright, thank you, bye bye.